Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting a mobile-friendly stack. Python or JavaScript work best for quick feedback, while Dart helps with apps. Install a single IDE app so you can code anywhere. Make sure it supports running and debugging. Once done, set tiny, consistent goals, 15 to 30-minute daily sessions, so you build momentum. Focus on immediate practice. Run a hello program, edit it, break it, and fix it. This hands-on loop teaches syntax and reduces fear faster than reading alone. Now move into building mini projects that teach core concepts. A calculator for logic, a to-do list for state, and a simple API fetch for I/O. Use templates to avoid startup friction and keep versions by saving dated files so you can revert mistakes. As you code, test frequently and debug step by step. This reveals why errors occur. Once a feature works, refactor to improve clarity. Make sure to write short notes in a progress log so each session connects to the next. Finish by polishing your app. Improve UI for touch, trim unnecessary code, and add comments so others understand decisions. Once stable, share small snippets or an APK for feedback. External review accelerates learning. Deploying exposes deployment steps and permissions, which teach real-world constraints. If something goes wrong, isolate the failing part, reproduce the error reliably, inspect logs or console output, and clear caches or reinstall the app as a quick reset. That troubleshooting loop is a core skill you will reuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.